Gusto mong kumita online but hindi mo alam paano at hindi ka tech savvy? Ako na ang bahala. Just watch this video. Sa video na to, explain ko sa iyo ng mabilis how this business work, bakit may refundable registration fee na $149 at anong rule mo bilang isang digital business owner. At of course, paano ka kikita. Ako pala si Raham, isang registered nurse here in the UK for more than 2 decades and also mentor in this incredible business community. I'm so passionate in helping working mom, parents, hardworking nurses, and OFW or anyone who want to reclaim time, financial stability for their family. I say this with so much love because once upon a time, I'm like you. Overworked, exhausted, ang buhay ko ay parang naka-autopilot, living with paycheck to paycheck. Ako din po ay isang skeptical, takot at curious from the start. I'm a wife to Jeffrey and a mom of 2 beautiful teenagers. Akala ko dati pag abroad ka na, may financial stability ka na at hindi ka na problema sa pera. Ay nako, mali pala ako. Lalong dumami ang obligasyon ko. Kahit 2 to 3 job pa, nagkukulang pa rin, lalo na pag may emergency sa Pinas. Akala ko dati normal lang ang 2 to 3 job just to survive until one day nagkasakit ang tatay ko. For more than a year, in and out siya sa hospital. I was not ready. I was financially, physically, and mentally drained. That's where I realized I needed a change. I need another source of income that I don't need to sacrifice my family time and time sa mga anak ko. In 2024 po, February, natagpuan ko ang online business opportunity na to through a stranger online. And now she is my coach, Coach Lizelle. This is an answer prayer for me. Why? When I found this business, I was on my lowest. And that time, I feel stuck. Para ang lahat ay naka-autopilot. Trabaho, bahay, padala sa Pinas, and waiting for paycheck to paycheck and repeat. And God showed me a hope. And that's the reason I'm sharing this with you. Baka makatulong din po sa inyo. So now the digital business is a combination of affiliate marketing and franchise model. Design ito ng mga expert for people na sobrang busy na katulad po natin pero gustong magkaroon ng extra income online. And perfect din po ito sa mga tao na may business na but gustong mag-expand pa or dumagdag. And of course, kung wala ka din pong business experience online. So bakit siya combination ng affiliate marketing and franchise? So let me explain. Affiliate marketing po ay kikita ka by promoting well-known companies na nag-o-offer ng sobrang ganda na quality health and wellness products. And these are essential products. Alam niyo po ba, according to statistics, ang health and wellness industry expected to reach over $6 trillion by 2026. The reason being is mas marami na po ang taong nagiging conscious sa kanilang kalusugan and overall well-being. Kaya naman dito sa program natin, ang affiliate marketing ay sobrang sikat at sobrang tatag na kumpanya na originated in Japan at over 51 years na po sa health and wellness industry. Imagine and how long is the credibility ng kumpanya natin, no? In fact, this company may 45 branches in 25 countries around the globe. So, worldwide po ang business natin. So, kung tatag ang pinag-uusapan, 100% po. So, bakit naman franchise model? Kasi mayroon na pong ready-made system. That includes the personal website, the automation tools, and the step-by-step training. Pinapamadali nito ang buhay mo to start and grow your business without the complexity of building everything from the scratch. Gawa na para sa'yo, may system na susundan mo lang. Pag-usapan naman natin and what will be your rule as a business owner. I'm sure ang tanong mo ay, kailangan ko ba magbenta or mag-recruit? Ay nako, the good news is, we don't sell the product directly. So lilinawin ko lang po ha, dito sa business na to, may product involved but hindi ikaw ang magbebenta. We have the automated system na does it for you. So ang role mo lang is to guide those interested people to your automated system. Kasi nga ang automated system ang mag-handle ng presentation at explain the business model for you. Kaya kung hindi ka magaling magsalita or mag-explain, walang problema. Ang galing, di ba? Ang tanong mo ay paano sila i-guide sa automated system? Nako, lahat ng yan ay tuturo sa iyo sa training at magkaroon ka din po ng mentor at coach na mag-guide sa iyo or mag-gagabay sa iyo. So, hindi mo kailangan i-pressure ang family at friends mo dito. No, you don't need them. You will learn how to attract leads. Pag sinabi nating leads, these are the people looking and interested na sa business mo. So, ang mga tao na to ay naghahanap na talaga sila ng pagkakakitaan online. So, paano mo gagawin yon? Through marketing strategy on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, at marami pa pong iba, okay? So ngayon, ang pag-usapan natin is how does this business work? Ganito yun. Once you join, we will guide you or provide you with the essential tools to start and grow your business. At ang tanong ano yun? Yung personal website or funnel, marketing training, at automated system. Dito po gagamitin ang bayad mo na one-time registration fee na $149. Alam niyo po ba kung magkano sa iba ang ganito na program? The website and automated system alone will cost you $22,000 per year. Hindi pa po kasali ang marketing training doon. You can research this after ninyo po mapanood ang video na to, okay? So, isa-isahin ko po na mabilis ha. Number 1, personal website or funnel. We will build, maintain, and manage the website for you, okay? Your website captures the contact information of your leads and introduces them to the business. Yung business website po ang magiging tulay para mag-guide mo ang mga leads or tao sa automated system. Kasi nga, ang automated system ang mag-i-explain sa kanila ng business na to on your behalf. Hindi po ikaw. Number 2 is we will teach you how to run effective campaign to attract the right audience to your website. At number 3 is automated system. Sobrang importante to. It's because it does the heavy lifting for you. So, anong role ng automated system natin? So, if someone signed up on your website, the system explains the business to the customer through a webinar. Kapag nagustuhan nila ang business model natin, they will pay the one-time registration fee na $149 to access the entire program, and that also cover the cost of the website, training, automated system. Kasabi ko nga kanina, these are the essential tools na kakailanganin nila to start and grow their online digital business. Then from there, they will have a strategy call or coaching call with one of the trained coach who will guide them in setting up their own online business. Dito din po i-discuss ang details ng magkano at paano ang kitaan. Super ganda na at unique na compensation plan. Personally po, i-discuss ito ni experience coach sa customer. Pagkatapos doon ka na po kikita. Yung customer na nag-sign up sa website mo at kinausap ni experience coach, take note, hindi ikaw ang kumausap ha. Kapag yon ay nag-agree na to set up your own business, babayaran ka na ni company. So, sino naman si company na magbabayad sa'yo? Yung Happy Late Company natin. So, saan naman manggagaling ang ibabayad sa'yo ni company? Manggagaling yan sa product na binili ni customer. Kasi nga, part ng pag-set up ng business nila is mag-avail sila ng product or products. It can be 1 or 4 products. Pero hindi mo na problemahin yon. Yung mga coach na ang bahala mag-close ng sales or business deal for you. So now, ang worry mo nako, bibili naman kaya sila? The answer is big, massive yes. Kasi po, ito nga ay mga essential na health and wellness products na ginagamit natin araw-araw. Dahil sobra na po, ang mga tao na to is very health and conscious ngayon. Kaya talaga mag-a-avail sila sa mga product natin. So, wag mo nang problemahin yon. Kasi nga, ang mga experienced coach na po ang bahala at ang ating powerful automated system. Ngayon, napanood nila ang business strategy video kung saan ipinaliwanag ang compensation plan at iba-iba pang strategies to start your business, at kung magbago ang isip nila within 30 days, okay lang yan. I-refund ang binayaran nila na $149. Kaya wala nang talo si customer. Ang galing, di ba? May 30 days money back guarantee po. Actually, isa ito sa nagustuhan ko sa business na to nung nagsisimula ako. Hindi ako kinabahan mag-register at magbayad. Kasi nga, refundable naman kung magbagong isip ko. Walang pilitan. So in summary, your main rule as a business owner, dalawa lang yan. Rule number 1, marketing at advertising. Kailangan mo lang po i-promote ang business opportunity na to sa social media to attract people who want to work online. Marami yan. Buong mundo ang market mo. Kasi nga, marami na pong tao na gusto mag-work online, magkaroon ng online business, pero hindi nila alam kung saan at paano magsimula. Magpo-post ka lang. Hindi ba ginagawa mo na yan ngayon? Bakit hindi mo na lang pagkakakitaan? Lahat ng yan ay ituturo natin sa iyo sa training. Number 2 is mentoring your new business owner. Huwag kang kabahan sa word na mentoring ha. You just need to help your new business owner to get started. By how? By connecting them to our training system. Lilinawin ko lang ha, hindi po ikaw ang magta-train sa kanila. Kasi nga, may training site tayo na accessible sa kanila 24/7. Kasi po, recorded ang video. Plus, they will have their own mentor and coach. Plus, the entire community to help and mentor those new business partners of yours. Hindi ka mag-iisa dito. Magtutulungan po tayo. Diba? Ang galing. In short, kung busy ka na tao, sobra kang humahataw sa trabaho, in fact, pagod na po ang katawan nyo sa lahat ng parte ng katawan nyo sa kaka-overtime, hindi din po ba kayo magaling sa technology? Perfect talaga ang business na to. Kasi nga, 10% ng work na gagawin mo and 90% is done for you by automated system at an experienced coach. So now naiintindihan mo na kung ano ang tong business na to, paano mag-work at ano ang rule mo. The next step is to register and pay the one-time refundable fee na $149 USD. Pwede mo po gamitin ang credit card or debit card mo dito. Tulad ng sinabi ko, this also cover the 3 essential tools na kakailanganin mo to run your business, which is the website, training, at automated system. Nagagawa na ng 90% job for you. And remember, kung i-avail mo ito sa iba, this costs more or less $22,000 per year. But dito sa program natin, $149 USD lang po. At ito po ay one-time payment. Hindi po ito subscription. After mo ma-register at bibigyan ka ng access to watch the 2 hours business strategy videos. Dito lahat ng mga tanong mo ay masasagot. 99% of your question will be answered here. Malalaman mo din kung magkano ang investment cost at financing options sa'yo. Nako, very helpful ito kasi nagamit ko din po ito when I started kasi nga wala din po akong ipon. Dito, din mo malalaman paano at gaano kalaki ang pwede mong kitain. At kung sakaling magbago ang isip mo, within 30 days po before your coaching call, we will refund your money. No question asked. So, kung ready ka na, mag-register na ka na o i-message mo ang mentor mo or the person who give you this video para mabigay po sa iyo ang secure link to pay, okay? So, hope to see you inside mga kabayan. God bless!